Hey guys, for years now, I feel that innovation within the robot vacuum space has been kind of dormant. Yes, you could get more suction, maybe slightly bigger battery, some AI features through camera and object recognition, but it was kind of slow. This has all of that, but also something else. This is X50 Master from Dreame, and it has a few extra things up its sleeve. First of all, this is one of the ones which you have to connect to a water source, so water inlet and water outlet. So it doesn't actually come with a water container within the unit, it needs to be plumbed up. But what you get out of that is a mostly autonomous system which does the self-cleaning, cleaning of your floors, self-emptying and everything else. So you can actually leave it to become a fully automatic robot. In a lot of cases, you couldn't do that, or you couldn't clean most of your house because a lot of houses, especially here in Singapore, have different levels. So for example, bathrooms and kitchens are normally either up or down. You might have a balcony as well, where you would always have this edge detection, you don't want it to fall off because you'll be stuck on the balcony, for example, or the kitchen. This new unit can actually go past that. It actually has little feet that push itself over the hump or onto a little platform and down. So you should be able to actually go over that. We're gonna test it out and see if it actually works, because this would open up probably an extra 30% of our house to what the vacuum can actually do. Let's open up the box and see what you get inside, and then we'll go set it up and do some more testing. It's actually a kind of funky shaped box. Because of the way that it's designed, it's quite small, and it's probably kind of designed to be placed underneath a special counter, or maybe it's under your sink, or in some cases, if you're building out a new house, you can put this built into your laundry area. It's a single page manual. I like that, it's kind of cool. So it literally has all how do you set things up. Nice bit of protective foam. So it's a cardboard with double foam, so triple foam inside. So, accessories. That's the base station. More accessories. And the robot vacuum itself. I've got to say, first impression, this is quite small, and it certainly looks quite slick. It's almost the size of a standard PC, just sideways. And it's not particularly heavy either, which is nice. But it makes sense because it's not designed to have a container inside. Let's see what we've got inside these. So here we have all the brushes and cleaning supplies. So we have the mops, the bag. I think this is spare. We'll see. It should probably have one inside already. You have your manual, warranty, cleaning solution, a power cable, and actually a very slick cleaning brush. It's not the little dinky ones that we had before. But that also makes sense. This is actually a pretty high-end unit. In fact, as of the launch of this will be the highest unit that Dreame sells. So it makes sense for it to have a lot more accessories. But they've also gone an extra step and made it a bit more flexible for a lot of users. They're now designed in such a way that all you need to do is just refill a normal generic container, so you don't actually have to buy their own product. I'm sure somewhere in the documents it will probably say it's recommended to use your own product, but you have flexibility. In this box, we just have all the plumbing supplies. Generally speaking, you might want to buy this and get somebody to install it for you, or you could do it yourself. I think we're going to give it a go and try to install it ourselves and see how it goes. But you have a bunch of connectors, a bunch of adapters in here. I'm very familiar with these quick disconnects because I might have a hobby of brewing my own beer, so that's very similar to what you have at home brewing. But yeah, so all you need to do is just put this on the inlet, split it out so you have a T-junction. So you could use this on your existing piping. So for example, if you have your washing machine, you can have the inlet for water come here, then a junction come out from here to your Dreame machine, and then this can carry on to your washing machine. And obviously this can be removed. Or alternatively, if you don't need a splitter, you just install this as far as your blocker. That's it. You can leave this blocked. Water comes in, it goes to your Dreame machine. And now, star of the show, the machine itself. There's a lot of padding in all of these boxes, which is really, really nice. This unit comes packed with features, from the whole washing the floor to ability to actually drop these inside the enclosure and drive out without them. I'm really curious to see how that works. To the point where the sensor that is over here actually goes down. So generally speaking, Let's see if it has enough juice to power up. This will pop out, but if you have a low couch, and it detects that you can't go underneath it with essentially the sensor head up, it will actually retract it and go and clean the couch and just control it with the camera system in the front. So you'll navigate with the camera system and then come out of from underneath the couch and come back up, and you have the sensor back on.
Robot. Please open robot's cover and scan QR code to download.
Well, I've already been told what to do, so we're going to set it up and start using.